Ever wondered how new Bitcoins are created? It's through Bitcoin mining, a process that secures the network and rewards miners with Bitcoin. In this video, we'll break down the basics of mining, what tools you need, and whether it's still profitable today. Bitcoin mining is the process of solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and add new blocks to the Bitcoin blockchain. Successful miners are rewarded with Bitcoin for their work, which also helps secure the network and keep it decentralized. To mine Bitcoin, you need specialized hardware called ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits. Regular computers or GPUs no longer stand a chance because Bitcoin mining has become very competitive. You'll also need mining software, programs like CG Miner or NiceHash that connect your hardware to the blockchain network. Many miners also join mining pools to combine resources and improve their chances of earning Bitcoin. Profitability depends on several factors. Electricity costs. Mining is power intensive, so low energy rates are essential. Hardware costs and efficiency. ASICs are more expensive and older models may no longer be profitable. Bitcoin's price. The higher the price of Bitcoin, well, the more rewarding mining becomes. Many miners operate in places with cheap renewable energy to cut costs, but for beginners, it can be challenging to break even unless Bitcoin's value surges. Bitcoin mining can still be rewarding, but it's not as simple as it used to be. If you're just getting started with Bitcoin, consider other ways to earn or buy it, like using Byte Federal's Bitcoin ATMs. Find one near you and dive into the world of Bitcoin today.